How's it going, guys? This is Coyote Dave. I'm in my quarantine garb. Um, I'm going to talk to you about my GT2 that I've been working on. I'm pretty excited. I've actually been kind of busy here at the shop, just fixing stuff. But I rebuilt this GT2 that I bought on eBay. I scored a brand new chassis, and I've rebuilt the tranny, put new A-arms, a new rear shock tower, and I just finished the front end today. But I wanted to show you guys what I've done. I did a little mod to the front of the truck, and I want to get this thing done. Hopefully by Saturday I'll be able to run this on the track. But here's my GT2 so far, what I've done. Okay, so let me set the phone up real quick. All right, so I got my GT2. Obviously you can see I did when I got it, it was supposedly a factory team, but everything was gone. It didn't have the quick chains on the back. I went and found some parts, and I had all that stuff here, so I went ahead and I put new drive lines, everything in the transmission's new shock tower. I did new hinge pin holders, new A-arms, new hubs, because it also had the wrong hubs, obviously. So I put the quick change on the back. I did score this bitch and brand new chassis right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's brand new chassis. So I put that on, and then I did a mod to the front. And I did this like 8 years ago. I did this to my T4. I actually did a quick change conversion in the front as well. So you can see that, and it doesn't affect the geometry. The geometry is all correct. When I did this on my T4 back in the day, like 8 years ago, I measured the wheels before and after, and it was identical. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have seen this before. This is not my idea to do this. I saw somebody else had done this, but he wouldn't give out information on how to do it. So I just walked up to my board, because he said he used all associated parts. I just walked up to my board and figured it out on my own. So I did it again. It was really simple to do. And for anybody who wants to do this, I'm going to show you what parts you need, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, but I do have the quick change. For those guys that don't know what a quick change is, if you see, and most of you will know, but if you see the hub has these big pins, this drive hub, right? So the wheels have a bunch of holes on the back. So all they do is you go in here and they just snap in place, and this little hook holds it in place. You can't take it out. But to take them off, you just pull the hook back. Let me turn this around. You pull the hook, pull it back, and you can pop the wheel off. It's that simple. Works on the back just the same. So you can see, just the same. And then you take the hook off, and you can pop the wheel off. And it's a quick change. Okay, so for me personally, like, the wheels are really hard to find right now. I have a bunch of wheels here. I have the J-Concept wheels, and I have a full set of the associated wheels. I don't know if I'm going to run it outdoors. I know I'm going to run it here on our track at Coyote Hobbies. We'll be racing these every Friday night at 8 o'clock. 10 scale track. Our track's 100 by 65, so it's pretty good size. I will be running it here. So we run slicks, and we have high bike traction. So if I do decide to run outdoors, I do have 10 full sets of J-Concepts Relux wheels that I can mount off-road tires on. But for now, like just slicks, I'll be running slicks, so I'm okay with that. One set of wheels. Slicks don't wear out here. We have no tire wear. The tires last for forever. The foams will go out before anything. But I see, here it's not uncommon to find somebody that's running slicks that are over a year old, and they still work. So I wanted to show you guys what I've done on my GT2, and then what I'm doing is I'm gonna show you the parts list on how to convert the front end. The easiest way is to find this kit right here. All right, if you guys can find this kit, part number 7988, it has everything you need in here to convert the front end. Okay, if you can't find this kit, okay, then you can do it this way. Oh, you're still missing. Even if you get this piece, you're still missing one important piece, and that is this part right here, which are your SE10 steering blocks, your hex ones, the ones that have a hex, okay? And you are gonna have to do a little bit of grinding here and there to get this to work, but it's nothing that's too hard, okay? So you definitely need those, and you need this, and then that's all you need. Obviously, you're gonna need your bearings, okay? So, and the wheel bearings from the wheels is what you need. Those are what we use on these steering blocks. Okay, the SE10 steering block, and it's part number 9880. Okay, so that's what you need. You need that and this. But if you can't find this, you can get it in these part numbers. If you can find it, you're going to need a quick change drive hub, part number 7981. You can still find these. I've seen these. Like at GS Hobbies, they still have them. So I've seen these hubs. So you're going to need these Posi-Loc quick drive hub. You're going to need one bag, which has 2 of them in there. You're going to need one bag of the Posi-Loc quick change lever set, part number 7982. You need one bag of that. You're going to need one bag of the Posi-Loc drive hub pin, part number 7983. So you need one bag of that. And then you're going to need the Posi-Loc quick change axle MIP CVD, part number 7987. So you need the CVD ones. The CVAs actually have the cup on the stub axle. You need the ones that have the ball on the end. Okay, so this is what you need. These are the parts you need. What I do is I cut the ball off. I cut the ball off and leave this little triangle section on the back. So you cut the ball off, and then you put this through the hub. Then you put your dry hub in, and then put your pins in, and you're good. Okay, you are going to have to kind of take like a round file to get it in the hole, in here in the hole, because it's got like a little square block, and you're going to have to just file that down to make it round so that the drive axle can go through there. When you put the bearings in and you don't do that, the drive axle will actually hit that block inside. So you just got to file just a little bit, make it round in there, and then you're fine. So that's a little bit of machining. And then the other thing is on the actual drive hub, on the dry hub, it's got a little lip right here. I just ran it on a belt sander and I ground down that little lip. So it's all flat on the back, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. Pretty much you cut the ball off. You take your dry hub and you sand it down on a belt sander on the back to get that little lip off. And then on your hubs, there's a little square part inside of there. You can see it, how it's flat. All you gotta do is round it off a little bit, and then you get the clearance that you need. And then I did use some axle shims, one on the back of the axle and one on the front. Sometimes if you grind a little bit too much off the back of the dry hub, you can shim it out. So that's what I did. I don't have any play, hardly any play back and forth on either side. No play, and they're free. And they're free. So, anybody watching, this is Coyote Dave. If you guys have any questions about this, how to make this, how to do this mod on your GT2 or GT, just hit me up. You can find me on Coyote Hobbies Raceway. Just ask the question or just PM me. But I'm going to be doing more videos as I get closer with this truck. I think by Saturday I'll have this thing done. And again, we're going to be racing these every Friday at 8 o'clock here. So if you have a gas truck, get that thing out, get it ready. We're going to be running them here. If we don't have enough to race, we're still going to practice from 8 o'clock. You know, we'll light up the barbecue. You know, we'll get some drinks and stuff, and we'll have a good time. So gas truck at Coyote Hobbies, that's coming. I mean, we got like 5 or 6 people that have them already, that are already coming here every day. They're excited about running this class again. So this is something fun we're going to be doing Friday nights at 8 o'clock. Okay, so this is Coyote Dave, Coyote Hobbies, and I'll make more videos as I get closer with this truck. Thanks for watching.